Hello students, I am explaining you question number 6. There are three coins and one is two-headed coin having head on both the side. The other is biased coin that comes up head 75% of the time, and the third is unbiased coin. Now one of the three coin is chosen at random. Say P(E1) is the probability of selecting one coin. P(E2) is the probability of selecting second coin, and P(E3) is the probability of selecting third coin. That is, all are 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now, one of the three coins is chosen at random and tossed, and it shows head. So we can say that PA(E1). Here A is the probability of getting head when the first coin is selected, and it is written here that it is two-headed coin. Two-headed coin means both the side it is head. Then the probability of getting the head is 1. The second coin is getting head when the second coin is picked up. It is 75% head, so it is 3 by 4. And the third probability of getting head when the third coin is selected, and you all know that it is given here that the third coin is unbiased coin. So definitely it will favor head as well as tail. So the answer is 1 by 2. Yes, it shows head. Now what is the probability that it was a two-headed coin? This part we have to take at the top. So here what we have to find? P(E1) oblique A. That is, we have already got the head. We have to find out that it has come, means we have selected the first coin. So the formula of Bayes theorem is, please see this now, P(E1) dot PA(E1) plus P(E2) dot head in E2 and P(E3) dot P head in E3. This is the total probability of getting the head. In that, we have to find out for the first one. So the first part we will write at the top. This is the basic principle of the Bayes theorem. So here you see now it is 1 by 3 into 1 upon 1 by 3 into 1, 1 by 3 into 3 by 4, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. So as I told you in previous problem, this 1 by 3, this 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, when we take common it will cancel. So the final part is 1 upon 1, 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So the LCM is 4. So 4 plus 3 plus 2. So the answer is 1 upon 9 upon 4. So final answer is, please see the final answer. The final answer, come on, try all of you. Definitely it will be 4 by 9. This is the basic principle of the Bayes theorem. There are three coins. Probability of getting head in all these three coins are different. It is given here two-headed 75% and it is unbiased. Unbiased means the probability of getting head is 1 by 2 and probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2. We have to find out, we have already got the head, we have to find out that it is the first coin was selected. That is, the selected coin was a two-headed coin. This formula of the Bayes theorem is very, very important. Please learn this formula correctly. This is for E1. If it is second coin, then it will be E2. That part will be here. Third coin, then this part will be here. So in this way, we can find the required probability. Yes, now problem number 7. An insurance company insured 200 scooter drivers, 4,000 car drivers and 6,000 truck drivers, the probability of an accident are 0.01, 0.003 and 0.15 respectively. Now one of the insured person is met with an accident. What is the probability that it is a scooter driver? So we are starting P even. P even means the insured person is a scooter driver. So scooter driver is 2000 upon total. Total is 12,000. Or PE2. E2 means it's a car driver. So 4,000 upon 12,000. And PE3 is truck driver, that is 6,000 upon 12,000. Yes, see this one. Now, total 12,000 drivers we are talking about, and this is car driver, this is scooter driver, car driver and truck driver. Now, what is the probability of accident of scooter driver? What is the probability of accident or car driver and probability of accident done by the truck driver? It is already given here 0.01, it is 0.03 and it is 0.15, means the probability is more in case of truck driver and it is quite less in case of scooter driver. Now, a person is meeting with an accident. That accident has already occurred. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? So, by the concept of the probability, the first part will be at the top. That is P even dot A even. It will be in the front. And it is P even oblique A. The accident has already occurred and we have to find out that it is done by the scooter driver. So the formula will be P even dot P A even plus P E2 dot P A E2 plus P E3 dot P A E3, this one. This is the required part of this. If you want to simplify, you can write 1 by 6 here. These 3 zeros and 3 0 cancel. 1 by 3 here and 1 by 2 here. That can be written here to simplify the part. So now you see the final answer is 1 by 6 into 0.01. 1 by 6 into 0.01 plus 1 by 3 into 0.03 plus 1 by 2 into 0.15, and you all are the student of class 12. I hope it is not required to explain you. When you simplify this part, the answer will be 1 upon 52. That will be the answer for this particular problem. You can simplify. The important part is this formula, which is again and again repeating in all the problems of the Bayes theorem. So you have to write it very carefully. It is even when A has already occurred, and here it is A when even has already occurred. That is the basic difference in these formulas. I hope now with the help of these problems you can manage the remaining sums of the Bayes theorem. And this part is very, very important. Please revise it with full sincerity. Thank you.